Namaste everyone, welcome to Naya Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out anything from my side. Okay, today I have with me a skincare product, and this is actually an equipment for your skin, and this is the Derma roller system from the brand Elmask. Basically this is like a handle with a roller on top, and that roller has around 540 titanium needles stuck on it, and the needles are of 0.5 mm in size. Okay, so that is the basic concept of this thing. I ordered this thing from Nykaa, and the main price of this is 390 rupees, but I think I got a discount, and I really don't remember how much I paid for this, but I'll put it somewhere over here so that you can see how much I paid for this. These kind of products are really tricky because first of all, you know, this derma rolling was always used to be done in salon or under a dermatologist. I mean, you never do this on your own, but now people can do this on your own thanks to these kind of devices. So should you do something on your own which is done by a professional, because we are not professionals, so I don't know. That's something which is really scary, because I really don't like to mess up with my skin, because my skin behaves in a very bad way if I mess up. So yeah, so this, as I told you, so this has around 540 needles. Yeah, this has 540 needles, and the needle is of, as I told you, 0.5 mm in size. There are many sizes, and I think 0.5 is for basically acne and acne scars. I think to remove that. So I'll show you the product in detail first of all. What this says is that this is efficient system for anti-aging, skin regeneration, skin tightening, and collagen stimulation therapy. Okay, and this also says please choose the suitable size DRS, that is derma rolling system, and please sterilize the DRS and nursing part with alcohol. Please apply suitable nutritional lotion or cream on the skin, rolling back and forth. Please rolling more than 4 different directions. Okay. Apply mask on the skin that requires in case of skin irritation. Okay, you should not apply this on any wound or something, and you should never share these things with anyone. Now after taking out from the packet, you receive this thing as I showed you. So this is how this looks like. And this also says that either you can apply a cream on your face and then you can apply this, rub this on your face, or you can apply a cream after treating your face with this. There are two ways you can do this, so which is fine. Okay, so packaging wise, this looks very classy. I mean, this has this case, so you don't have to keep it anywhere. Just keep it inside this, and always clean it after use. So okay, so for the needles, they are really very small. I don't know what to expect from this. I've never done this. So let's try it on face, and there is a technique to do this. You can't just keep rolling it in any direction. You have to roll it in a specific direction for maximum benefits. Like, I have already applied cream on my face, so it's a basic cream, nothing fancy. It's a basic cream. So you can apply any serum. So you have to start it from here and take it upwards like this. You know, it feels a very slight pricking kind of a sensation, but there is a sensation. You can take it like this, and then you can take it outwards. My skin is turning red. Okay, this also says that the portion where you are doing this, that will feel a little warm and tingly after using this, which is quite natural. Like, that will happen because you are rolling 540 needles on your skin, so what else can you expect? Okay. So like this. Oh god, this actually pains. I don't know, maybe my skin is sensitive, but this actually pains a little. Okay, so I've applied it on this side of my face and my skin is looking a little red and it's feeling a little, I can't explain this, like kind of a numbness. Rest, I don't know how to see. I have a small acne over here, so I'm avoiding that area because I don't want to flare it up. This does feel a little, how do I say, a little, I won't say this is not painful, but this is not that comfortable either. Like, you know what you're doing, so you cannot expect comfortability. On forehead, actually I'm feeling it a little painful because on my forehead there is not much fat. On my face I do have fat. On forehead, like, I don't have fat, so it's paining a little bit on forehead. So basically is that you have to do it in outward motion and upward motion. And remember to do it in one motion. Like, you don't do like this. Do it in one particular motion. That's what I think you're supposed to do. If I'm wrong, do correct me politely. Okay. So as my skin is all red and patchy now, so it's wonderful, amazing. I can really feel that this product does this work. I mean, you can see my skin turning red, reddish. Forehead is also turning red. Okay. Currently I'm not feeling anything, and after use you have to wash it properly, and you can also use this on your scalp for hair growth, but never use it for skin and scalp at the same time. No, buy another one for your scalp. Okay, so today I did it and I can't see much of a difference. Obviously, with one motion I cannot see anything, right? And you don't have to use this daily. You have to use this once in 2 weeks. So this thing is not to be done daily, like daily applying cream and then doing. No, once in 2 weeks you have to do this. So don't do this daily. Otherwise, I think this is a nice product, and some things are very psychological. Like, my face is feeling tingly, so I have this feeling that maybe this is working, but I don't know. So that was it. I think you can invest in this. This can be very beneficial for people who are having extreme wrinkles on face. Slowly and steadily you will get rid of that, because all you have to do is that there's a proper technique. Don't overdo it, and don't do this daily. This is not a daily thing. Don't do this daily. And after using this, clean it up and put it in the same case in which it came. Do not just keep it anywhere. No, you have to keep it safely, securely. Okay, I can actually feel my skin is feeling a little warm. Yeah, my skin is feeling a little warm, and I think this is working. This is regenerating my skin. Okay, so that was it, guys. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.